1-0, ate. 1-1.
No, it's 1-0.
No, it's okay. 1-1. Serve.
My serve because
No, it's my serve.
it's my serve because Daddy said 1. I have 1 point, right?
No, no. Whoever na lang yung ano.
There's a car.
Tabi naman na, tabi.
So I get to serve.
Ha? Alternate serve. Alternate serve. Eh, whoever ka.
So I do just serve. So it's my turn.
Okay. Oh, go. 1-1 ha?
My turn, sir.
No, it's not. Because you got the point at the start for free.
It's
Under. My serve.
I'm giving it to you, Daddy.
Okay, go.
I cannot add any point. I was just giving.
Uy. Oh, what's the score?
Hey, my turn. Okay,
2. Dude, why is there so much cars?
Hmm.
Dude, our line.
There's a bump. Oh, go.
Dude, our line.
1-1 ha? 1-1 ha?
No, it's 1-2.
Okay, 1-2.
I wasn't ready yet.
No, Daddy. Daddy, I get to shoot.
Ano yun? You have to, there's no outside so you have to get it. Run for it.
I just scored.
Okay.
I was talking to you, so it doesn't.
1-1 na lang, 1-1. Let's start. Go, 1-1. Oh, you have to get it. 2-1.
I just served you. My turn.
Oh, go. Alternate serve alternate.
Reshoot. Daddy, you can do reshoot.
Ha? Ano ba yan? Oh. Ano na lang siya. 3-1.
Reshoot.
Just a game. It's just a game.
Reshoot.
Having fun lang.
Having fun, bro. Relax.
Relax.
Okay, you can serve, but I have to.
Okay. 3-1. Get it! Oh! Kian's, ano.
No, but he touched it.
No, that's there's a invisible line
He
there.
touched it though. He touched it.
No, stop lying. You just
There's
found
if there's a net there, he's not gonna get it because he's gonna hit the net, right?
No, but he touched it. Either way.
Okay.
No, still my point.
Basta nandito, nasa iyo eh. Move.
Move back.
3, all 3 na ba? All 3?
3-2.
Okay, 3-2. It's not in the no.
My point.
Ha? All 3. Dito eh. I'll show you in the video. It's didn't pass the net. So all 3 na, all 3. Nice game. He scored 4-3. It's okay. It's just we're just having fun.
1 more point, I win.
Yeah. Just having fun lang yan. Hindi naman.
If I score this, I win.
Go.